Alam mo yung feeling na ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan pero parang minsan hindi mo nakilala yung sarili mo. That's where self-awareness comes in. Self-awareness in Tagalog, kamalayan. It's like simply knowing yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, at kung papaano ka mag-react or bakit ka nagre-react sa mga bagay-bagay. Kapag 40 years old and above ka na, busy ka na sa pag-aalaga ng family, ng trabaho, ng business, o kung organization, kung ikaw ay may isang inaalagang organization, pero minsan ba naiisip mo na yung sarili mo, kumusta na nga ba ako? Self-awareness helps you reconnect with the woman inside you, the one who still dreams, the one who still feels, the one who still grows, and you want to bloom again. And the good news, it's never too late. You can start small, mag-journal, mag-reflect, and just be honest with yourself. Pansinin mo yung mga bagay na nagtitrigger sa'yo. Kailan ka nagiging malungkot? Kailan ka nagiging sobrang masaya? Kailangan mo lang maging present. And your second bloom starts when you see yourself again. Jing here. Let's grow together kasi yan din ang pinagdadaanan ko ngayon.